Erika. You have sold your soul to devil. You hate your sister with passion. Guinea come Meregio, Erika.
Well, Erika, what has come over you? Eh? You used to love your sister so much. Why the sudden change? Answer me.
Papa, she doesn't belong here. She is not your biological daughter. Let's tell ourselves the truth. That is why I want her to leave.
What truth are you talking about? Who told you Angel is not your sister? Who told you that?
You think I don't know? I know everything, no. I even have concrete evidence.
What nonsense evidence are you talking about? Listen to me. Take your mind off this direction you're going to. You're hurting me for no reason. Angel is your elder sister. And she's my first daughter. Whether you like it or not. That is the sister. I should tell you who is my daughter and who is not you telling me.
Elder sister, my foot. Listen, the earlier you tell her to start packing her things, the better for her. Papa, tell her to pack her things and leave this house. Else, what I will do to her, she will not like it. A stranger will just come from nowhere and start forming elder sister over me, occupying my space for no reason.
Shut up, Erika.
Tell her to pack her things, else she will not like what I will do. Tell her, oh. Tell that stranger to leave this house. Oh.
Erika, come back here. You walked out on me again? Chukwu, Erika.
Demon has entered you, Erika. You have sold your soul to devil. You hate your sister with passion. Guinea come Meregio, Chukwu, Erika. Marakwa nuku naga wara nenua. Anya naga zamzam na fusikwa ike. What you stand to gain in all this wickedness? Remember, Judgment Day is coming up. Papa Parogi Chukwu, Erika. Mane wense chukutego nisigi. Ineme wano. Aparogi Erika. Mane wense chukutego nisigi. Ineme wano. Opa Parogi Chukwu, Erika. Mane wense chukutego nisigi. Ineme wano. Erika mama. Erika mama. Zepaka nubo ubone Pupaka ni vojo
What's that for? What? Why'd you have to bring my clothes together? Have I not told you not to spread clothes on this rope again?
Why?
Have I not warned you?
Your madness has started again. Your madness has started again. Don't you touch my clothes.
Angel, you are daring me, oh. Go and look for your father's... Okay. Go and look for your father's robe and put your clothes. What nonsense? Go and look for your father's robe.
Don't touch my clothes again.
Go and look for your father's robe.
Don't touch my clothes again. Don't touch my clothes again.
My father bought this one for me.
Papa!
My clothes.
Papa! I don't want to have issues with you this afternoon.
Is it your father?
I don't want to have issues
He's
with you
not
this
your
afternoon.
father, he's my father. Let me see you touch it. Why is it so difficult for you? Leave this house, you don't want to leave. Let me see you touch it again. Why you... Go and look for your father and stay in his house. Leave my father alone. You are a stranger. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I don't know why you're always taking sides with me.
Hey, stop. Let this be the very last time you're going to fight your sister in this house. Do you hear me?
Well, let her pack her things and leave this house. I think when you're always calling her my sister, she's not my sister. She's a bastard.
What? What? Are you what? You call my own daughter, my first daughter, a bastard? In my house, in my presence? Are you mad? What has gone into your head? Erika!
Erika, did you just call me a bastard?
Are you not a bastard?
What?
Are you not?
You're still talking.
My father just slapped me out because of this idiot. Listen, pack your things and leave this house and stop occupying my space. If you don't, I will make this house a living hell for you.
What? Erika, come back here. Come back! Come right back here now!
What is going on?
What kind of devil has entered my Erica? What is going on? Listen to me. This whole...
So this is the reason both of you have not been talking to each other in school anymore?
Even when I try to talk to her, she ignores me. I don't know what suddenly came over my sister. She started saying all sorts of things to me. I should stop talking to her. That I don't belong to my father. That I'm an illegitimate child. There's nothing she didn't tell me. Every day, I'm just tired. And to think I love her so much, it has really broken me.
What has gotten over Erica? What is going on?
I don't know.
And what is your father saying about it?
He has tried so many times to caution her, but she wouldn't listen. So he only said I should just ignore her, that she will come around. But till now, she still hasn't come around. I don't know. Erica that I seniored with 4 days. 4 solid days. Each time I come to her, she talks to me like she's my senior. Let's not even talk about senior. We have strong bond. We have strong bond, but I don't know what. I don't know. I have no idea. But you see that devil will be shamed.
Amen.
Will be put to shame.
Amen.
But
I think you should listen to your father.
Right?
Yes. You know he's an elder and he knows more than you do. So just listen to him and tolerate Erica. Please.
But I need your candid advice. Be honest with me, please. Do you think I should just leave the house? At least leave the house for at least for the meantime. Let peace reign.
Leave which house?
Our house.
What are you saying? What you should do is give her silent treatment. She's nothing but a fool. Silence is the best answer given to a fool. She is a fool. Give her total silence. Erica!
What is it?
Erica, wait now.
What, Ogini? Look, you cannot be talking to my enemy and be talking to me. Choose one. Choose a friend.
You see what I've been saying? Erica, you're not my enemy. You're my blood sister.
You are my enemy. Yeah? Take a stand.
Erica, you see what I've been saying?
Erica!
Erica mama, Erica mama, Sepa kanuba, ubone Papa kanifaja, if he married you, he may was Erica. Ikana with the waggy ni ma Ikana mukwaga Demon has entered you, Erica. You have sold your soul to devil. You hate your sister with passion. Gini komeregio chukwerika Marakwa nuku naga wara nenuwa Anya naga zamzam na fusikwa ike What do you stand to gain in all this wickedness?
This is the pot now. What must have happened? What happened to the chunk of food I left in this pot? We prepared enough food for crying out loud. Who could have done this? Who could have... Oh, let it not be that Papa had visitors and he had to finish this whole food. And knowing full well that when we come back, we'll be hungry. Why will Papa do this kind of thing to us now? No. My father can never do a thing like this. Nego, don't always hate me. Asa kumita, asa, eh? Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be that Erica is responsible for the disappearance of this food. And I'm so hungry. So hungry. Erica! Erica! happened to the food I left in the pot before going to school in the morning? Erica, what happened to the food I left in the pot before going to school?
The food is finished, so be it.
I don't understand. What do you mean, so be it? I don't want to talk too much. I made that food myself. And I knew how full that pot was before I left for school. So can you begin to talk right now?
Are you deaf? I said I ate the food.
Shut up! How can you tell me that you ate the food?
Okay.
How can you finish that pot of food alone?
It's alright.
I will ask you for the very last time, Erica. Where is the remaining food?
I ate the food. What are you going to do about it?
What is going on here? What again? What is this commotion about?
Papa.
Ogini.
Papa.
Yes.
You saw the food I made before leaving for school this morning.
Yes,
you saw how
yes,
big it was.
Yes.
The pot was still very full, which was supposed to go round again in the afternoon.
Sure.
Now, on getting back, I went to the pot. Not just that there is no food, not even a grain of rice is remaining in that pot. And I asked her. She said she ate the food. But I know Erica cannot finish that chunk of food alone.
That's not possible. That is not possible. Erica, what are you talking about? How could you say you finished that whole pot of food without your sister? What happened?
Papa, I dished the food, took it to school and gave it to my friends. We all ate the food together.
What?
Erica, you did what? No, I want to understand. You did what, Erica? You took the food I made for the family, for everyone here, to your friends in school. And you ate without remembering your sister. Your own sister, Erica. You didn't care about me when I come back from school.
Who cares?
Why would you do this to me? Why?
If you want to die now, what's my business?
Shut up, Erica. Shut up. How could you say you took food from my house to strangers out there and forgot about your own sister? How could you say that? What kind of nonsense is that?
Papa, stop calling her my sister. Oh, I've told you before, she's not my sister. She can never be my sister. She should go out there and look for her father. You are not her biological father. Besides, those girls you are calling strangers are not strangers. They are my bosom friends. They deserve the food more than her.
Will you keep quiet, Erica? Will you keep quiet? Listen, you have crossed the boundary on this matter. Oh yes, you have. And you get me angry, you know what I can do. What kind of nonsense is this? What has gotten into your head? I have warned you to stop this nonsense about your sister not being your sister. Stop it, and stop it. If you don't stop it... Angel, come back here. Come. See,
Ebela makuai, wame. 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 Ebela makuai, wame.
Angel, why do you have to isolate yourself here? Why? Listen, Angel, don't listen to your sister. Don't listen to Erica. She's jealous of you. You are my daughter, my first daughter. How can you be listening to the nonsense she's saying? It's affecting me too.
But Erica was never like this, so why would she be jealous of me? Papa, please. I want to ask you a question, and I need nothing but the truth from you.
Go ahead.
Am I a bastard?
No.
Are you truly my biological father?
Yes.
Did I truly come out from your loins? Tell me the truth, Father, please.
Yes. Yes, you did. Erica is lying. She's telling lies. She's fabricating all this nonsense to hurt you and even hurt me too. You're my daughter. You're my first daughter. You came out from my loins. How could you be doubting me? I feel so hurt that even you are doubting me.
I'm not doubting you, but I'm not happy with all of this.
I know, my dear.
I don't know what has taken over my sister. I don't know.
I don't know too. I don't know the devil that has gone into her head. I don't know. Please help me endure this. It cannot continue like this. I will do something about it. I will do something very radical about this, and it will end. Trust me. Trust me, Angel. Please. But for now, just eat. Eat something. You came back from school since you have not eaten. I had to go and buy this food for you. Since that devilish girl, I don't know what affected her brain. Hey, these people did not give me a small spoon. What's wrong with all these people now? Look, I bought rice. It's good, very nice. Please,
Papa.
keep it. Let me go and bring a spoon for you. Come
Papa,
into the house and
Papa,
eat now.
please.
No, come into the house and eat.
Question, please.
Another question?
Let me beg you for a favor.
Okay, go ahead.
The only food I want now is peace from my sister. Please beg her for me to forgive me. If I've done anything to Erica, let her forgive me and give me peace in my father's house. Please,
I want to send her away from here. No, I want to send her out of this house.
Please don't send her away. Just let her just forgive me. I'm sorry. I can beg her.
Okay.
I don't mind kneeling down to beg her.
It's okay. I'll talk to her.
I'm losing my
I'll
mind.
do something radical about this. Trust me, I'm a retired police officer. You seem to forget. I'll do something very drastic about this and it will end. You know, I don't want you to be going through this torture. This trauma is too much. It's affecting me too. I can't even sleep in the night. Sorry, dear. So let me bring a spoon for you. Oh, come into the house and eat. Please. I'm begging you. Oh, please. I will bring an end to this nonsense. Trust me. Please. Stop isolating yourself. Stop being so sad. Your sister is talking nonsense.
You're mad. You're stupid. See, let me tell you, everything belongs to me in this house. From the top you're wearing to your sandals belongs to me. Nonsense.
Really mad. You are the one that is crazy. I've been keeping quiet in this house. You don't want peace. Papa has been giving us money. If he gives us money, you use your own and buy a car, buy anything you want to buy. It's not my problem. I've always told you to have savings. But you blatantly refused. I won't force you. It's your decision. So now, you had the nerves to go into my box to take my money. As what? Can I have that money now?
Which money? You see this money? I'm not giving it to you. This money will never reach your hand. The money belongs to me.
Ibonyala, let me have that money!
I'm not giving you this. Angel, leave this money. Angel, if you break my hand. Angel! Oh, Angel! Leave my... Angel!
What again? What again?
Angel!
What is this again?
Angel!
Leave her alone. You want to kill her?
What have you done? Papa! Blood! Blood! Papa! What have you done? Papa! What have you done? Papa! We need help! Help! Papa! Somebody help! Somebody help! Papa! Somebody help! Papa! Papa, get up! Papa, get up! Papa! Papa! Papa!
What led you to that conclusion that she is not your biological sister?
No, she's not my sister.
Why do you say that?
I have a concrete evidence.
Where is it? Let us see it.
Go and bring it.
Where is it?
Go! Let her go and bring it now. Huh? Yeah? If he married you, he may was there we go. He can't with the wagon, he might be. He can't with the wagon. Demon has entered you, Erika. You have sold your soul to devil. You hate your sister with passion. Gini come meregio, chukwe Erika. Marakwa nuku naga wara wara nenua. Anya naga zamzam na fusikwa ike. What do you stand to gain in all this wickedness? Remember, Judgment Day is coming up.
Come, don't waste the time of the gods. Hurry up.
Where is the evidence now?
Where is it? You can.
I want to. Mechie gonu there.
You see it? You killed your father over a baseless accusation. For nothing.
Hi.
You killed your own father. Ah! Erika. By the way, even if your father decided to adopt a child and bring her into this house, are you in a position to decide who should stay and who should not stay?
No, the answer is no. You are not in the position. Not at all.
You have that right? Erika, what you have committed, this evil that you have done has never been committed in this land before. Therefore, we shall not let you dwell among us continually. No way. You cannot continue.
Erika, let me tell you. For committing this evil in our land, you are hereby banished immediately. Bam! And it takes effect from now. Now! Start go! Move on! Out!
I know the crime my sister committed is a very grievous one. In fact, it's nothing to talk about. It's an abomination. But please, I beg you, temper justice with mercy. My father is already gone. When she leaves, I'll be the only one left in this house. Please, I've already passed through a lot. I cannot be alone, and I don't want her. She doesn't even have anywhere to go. If you send her out, she'll just be wandering about the streets without me. Something terrible might happen to her. I don't want to lose my only sibling. Please, do not chase her away, please. Please forgive her, please.
Guys,
Please.
my sister Angel is right.
Your sister? Oh, she is now your sister, eh? Ah! Erika.
Ichie, Chererio, Angel, your sister here committed an evil act. And whosoever that killed somebody in this community must be banished. And she has to leave immediately. Else, we will ask the youths to throw her out. One time.
It was an accident. It wasn't intentional. It was an accident.
She had to leave.
It was an accident. Please don't chase her away. I beg you, please don't. You know what? We're not going to fight again. We're not going to fight again. Right? We're not going to fight again. Please. I've forgiven her everything she has done to me. Don't chase her away. She might get hurt. Please.
You know what you're doing?
Hey, don't.
Get up.
Ale,
You want to go?
move. Tell me to get.
Go.
Go. Move.
Please help me beg them, please.
Beg them for what?
They vanished me.
I don't know what to say to them. I was not the one that asked you to kill your father.
Go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You don't know how to walk? Move!
Madam, waiting they keep you now. Bring the beer. Where the pepper soup? Waiting they keep you since.
I mean, take this one hold your body. Make I arrange pepper soup for you.
Go ahead, yeah. Do fast. For my friend now. But because I come here, so no get glass.
Okay, not like that. Now street you be now.
Where the pepper soup now? Bring the pepper soup for me.
They fire.
What is it again? Leave her alone. You want to kill her?
What have you done? Papa! Ah! Blood! Blood! Ah! Papa!
Papa!
Ah! What have you done? Papa! Papa! What have you done? Papa! Oh, we need help! Help! Oh.
Papa!
Somebody help! Somebody help!
sister is no longer in this village. My father is gone. And since I finished my WAEC, it's just been moving up and down. I don't have a job. I'm just too lonely in this village. And it makes me to think. I keep thinking all the time. So, I decided to go to the city for greener pasture. No matter how small I begin, I believe I'll make it. Than being in this village all by myself. I've practically lost everything. My father, my beloved sister is no longer here. So I'm not doing anything. So I decided to tell you because very soon you'll stop seeing me around here.
Angel, I understand you. And your idea is not bad at all. I've also thought of that. Because since we finished our secondary education, I've been here doing nothing. I also want to go to the city to look for something to do. You know I don't have anyone that will help see me through higher institution. So I want to go and know if I can make some money and start up again.
We're saying the same thing. And I can't wait to get to the city. Once I get there, I'll look for my sister Erica. I really missed her so much.
That's impossible.
How do you mean?
You can't find her.
Why?
City is not like the village. It is very big. Do you know that you can stay there for 10 years without coming in contact with her?
It's a lie.
I'm telling you the truth. My cousin that stays in the city already told me that. So I know.
I miss Erica. I miss my father too. I miss them.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Everything will be well.
Each day I think about them, it's as if the world has ended.
God will help us.
At least you have your family around. I have no one to call my own.
It's okay. You have me.
Thank you so much, Isom.
It's okay.
Thank you for being a good friend.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. I wish you good luck. I pray when you get to the city, you meet your destiny helper. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Well done. Please, I saw a vacancy signboard there, so I believe you could need a sales girl.
Yes, we need person to go work for you, but na man no.
It doesn't really matter. I can do what a man can do. Where is your Oga? Please, I need to see him.
My Oga no deal, he come out. You know, so they do a float today, so he go somewhere.
Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't really. Okay, when can I see him? I mean, when is he going to be back?
Now tomorrow he will come back. Oh.
Then I'll have to come back tomorrow. I need to see him one-on-one.
Yeah.
Yes, I am interested in the job.
But this ties, so hope you can do the work.
I'm a very strong woman. I can do anything. As long as the pay is good.
Okay, I know wahala. When you come tomorrow, Sha.
Okay, I will come. Please, a chipping word for me. Tell him that someone actually came and the person looks strong.
Okay, I'll tell him.
Okay.
I'll tell him.
What's your name?
My name is Nagozie.
Okay, Angel.
Okay.
Gozie, please, remember, chipping word for me.
I go tell him, don't worry.
Thank you.
Yeah. Come tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hello, hi. How are you?
fine.
My name is Josh. Can I drop you off, please?
I'm waiting for Keke or car.
Oh, come on. Just allow me drop you off, alright? I won't hurt you, I promise.
I don't know who you are.
Please, come on, okay? Just oblige me, please. Let me drop you off.
What is it?
So is this where you live?
Yes, it's where I'm managing for now. Do you want to come inside?
Okay. Wait, is this the reason why you didn't want me to come and drop you off all this while? I mean, sweetheart, you cannot possibly be living here, not when you have me in your life.
I don't have a problem with this place I'm living. I'm okay. Don't worry yourself.
No, I have to worry. Sweetheart, look. I think this is what we're going to do. You would have to move in with me so that we can... I love you very much, okay? And I really want to get married to you. Let's start living as a couple.
Oh no, please. I'm not ready for marriage now. All I want is to work very hard, make money, and look for my sister so we can reconcile. That's all I want now. I need to reconcile with her.
Angel, listen to me. You know, if it's about money, you don't have to worry about it. I can take care of you perfectly. Sweetheart, I will establish a business for you. All right, please, I beg you, just move in with me. I would not hurt you. Never. I would never ever hurt you in this life. I just want to, I want to take care of you. And guess what? I'll help you find your sister. We can both look for your sister together.
You will?
I promise I will.
Okay, if you say so, then I'll think about it and I'll get back to you.
You're going to. Listen, my boss said you are no longer allowed here. You're going to stay here and I will inform him that you're here.
I don't understand. What is going on? What do you mean by that?
Hey, didn't you hear her? Our boss said you are no longer needed here.
I've not done anything wrong. I believe if there's a problem, he should discuss it with me and not like this. Please, I need to see Josh now.
Stay here. Let me go and inform him that you're back. If he wants to see you, he will come out.
Josh has never treated me like this. Please talk to me. Did he tell you anything that I did?
No.
Please. What kind of temptation is this one now? If there was a problem now, he could have discussed it with me. He's not even taking my call. Josh! Josh! Josh, please come outside. Why? What have I done wrong? I mean, even if I did something, you couldn't have allowed your workers treat me like this. You should call me and we'll discuss it. If I'm wrong, I will apologize. Why are you doing this now? What have I done wrong?
I've been waiting to tell you this. I'm afraid if I don't tell you now, it might be too late for me.
Please tell me, what have I done, please? If I wronged you, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, please. I'm sorry. Please talk to me about it, please. I don't know you to be like this.
You light up my world, Angel. You made me discover the true essence of a man. I'm afraid I might lose you if I don't do this. Will you marry me and be the mother of my unborn children and make me the happiest man ever?
Why are you doing this? Why? You should have told me. I almost lost it.
Sorry.
Why would you do this? Of course. Oh my God. Put that ring. Oh my goodness.
I know, right?
I almost had BP.
I love you so much, my love. I love you with everything I have. I love you. I'm so sorry.
I love you.
I'm so sorry.
And you're this.
I put them up to this, please. I put them up to this. Don't give it.
Lekwe kekwe na-akpọ m n'iro ndị ọcha. Lekwe kekwe na-akpọ m n'iro ndị ọcha. Akpọ m n'ụtụtụ, akpọ m n'ehihie, akpọ m n'abalị. Ọkọdọ ka o si mee, onye sị ka ọ bụrụ ya ọ ga-eme gịnị? Maka na ajọ nkwa kpatara na ajọ ọhịa ka eji sie ya nwudele kara aka. Great Izenga apụtago m. Anyị unu si mme ka na-eme, ka unu si mme mere, agaghị m eme.
Great Izanza of Udumeland, I greet you.
Welcome to the shrine of Great Izanga. Drop the gift of Great Izanga. Now, what do you want the Great Izanga to do for you?
Great Izanza, I am here because of my sister. She's living a life of luxury while I'm in the ghetto, suffering, selling hot drinks and cigarettes. She doesn't care about me.
So what do you want me to do to her?
Great Izanza, I want her dead. Eliminate her. She is the reason for my predicament today.
You want her dead?
Yes.
Great Izanza, you heard her. Grant her her wish. Orwe kaneru, akorwe kaneru, agwotoro mbofo n'anya, okwa agwoto mbofo n'anya. Afinu de la bradano. The Great Izanza, Emanu de la bano oriri, maka na eru ka ha eri udele, atoto ngiga. Oruola ka ha eri ya udele, ke we toto ya wongiga. Orwe kaneru, akorwe kaneru, agwotoro mbofo n'anya, okwa agwoto mbofo n'anya. The Great Izanza. You heard that? I think area can hear the Lato Tongiga. I'll be looking at him with the Labrador. Mana o ruola ka ha eri ya nwudele ka tọtụte ya nwudele. Maka na enwe ajọ nke akpatara n'ajọ ya ka eji tie ya nwudele kara aka.
Ekukumeku, kumeku, kumeku. Ekukumeku. Ekukumeku, kumeku, kumeku. Ekukumeku.
Ogumagala. Send her message to the great Evanga.
Ekukumeku, kumeku, kumeku. Ekukumeku.
Udene nala tulu de no swell. Ifi la de ge maka poka kwukwan. Ana gwegunu ne no na la dia tulu ma cha chali. Ita malo ye no si na chienye. Milili lo nye no kalili ogu. Osisi tibu lo nye no kayokulu kwa. Ana mebelu chim. Udene si ni me nwunye ya jana ya to yo joy. Omu ambulu de na gwa anu lili andani. Mambo tu na gwegwe ibo tu na gwa na mapilo gwaku. Mgbe mo jije ka naga osimu na melo badi meli.
What is your sister's name?
Her name is Angel. Angel. Angel.
Angelo. Angelo. Angelo.
Today, and I have to be there, present, to take stock. If not, issues might come out, and I don't want that.
Hey, don't patronize me. Don't do this. We both agreed that we will spend the day together. Why the sudden change?
It's not intentional. I mean, this is a circumstance beyond my control. I work for someone, you know that. I don't want to have issues with my boss. Please, let me go do my job.
What? I was supposed to be at work too. But look at me, I'm here.
Honey.
What am I supposed to do all day without you?
I know, but trust me, I would not waste time. Baby boy, come on. I will not waste time.
Like when you do this one?
Yeah, I know you like it.
Okay, how long are you going to?
Just 2 hours. I won't be long.
Just 2 hours? You said just 2 hours, like it's just... Come on, 2 hours is a lot of time.
It is not. Before I get to the office, it's already 30 minutes. And then do 1 or 2. I mean, come on, don't be like this.
1 hour, 30 minutes.
Okay, 1 hour, 30 minutes. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, honey, I gotta go.
Hey, go like that. Come on. Come on.
I gotta go.
Give me some sugar.
I gotta go.
Give me some sugar, baby. Give me some sugar.
Oh, love, no go kill you. Bye.
All right, darling. I'm gonna miss you.
Take care of yourself, baby.
Oh my God. When did you get in? And where have you been? I've been calling you for hours. You said you were going to be away for just 2 hours, but this is over 5 hours. Where have you been?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? sorry does not change anything here. You think you're just going to come here and say you're sorry and that takes away everything? You think it will just make it right?
I can explain.
Of course you need to explain. Start talking. Where have you been since the last 5 hours? Let me hear it.
You promised to give me time.
Are you serious? What has time got to do with what we're saying right now? Where have you been since the last 5 hours? That's what I asked you.
You promised that it's just going to be me and me alone. Right?
Reverse psychology. That's what you're doing, reverse psychology. You're trying to use reverse psychology on me. Well, it's not going to work. Whatever antics that you came with here, it's not going to work until you tell me where you have been since the last 5 hours.
I want you to promise me that no one is ever going to take my place in your heart. Promise?
Angel, what is wrong with you?
You said I'm the best. You said I'm your better half. You said I'm everything to you. Same promise you made to me. I want you to reassure me. Promise? Am I getting the assurance?
Of course, I'm going to reassure you, but I just want you to understand that this does not change anything. All right? You are going to tell me where you have been since the last 5 hours.
Promise.
I promise. So yes, can we start talking? Angel. 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 Angel, what are you doing? Look, Angel, I am not ready for this prank, okay? I'm not ready for whatever you're doing right now. Come down here and tell me where you've been. Why are you calling me? If you have anything to say, come down here and say it. Look, Angel, listen to me.
Hello, good evening, sir. My name is Sandra from Victoria Hospital. Please, am I speaking to Mr. Okechukwu? Hello?
What did you say?
I said, my name is Sandra from Victoria Hospital. Am I speaking to Mr. Okechukwu?
Yes, you are.
Alright, sir. Please, your number happens to be the last number that called the phone, and the owner of this phone was involved in the gas motor accident. Please, can you come to our hospital for confirmation? Hello? Hello? Hello, Mr. Okechukwu, are you there? Hello?
Look, listen to me. Whatever trick or prank you're trying to play here, I'm not finding it funny anymore. What is going on?
Sir, I don't understand. How would I in the world want to jump on my job? I'm Dr. Sandra from Victoria Hospital. I'm calling to inform you that your number happens to be the last caller to this phone number, and so you should come to our hospital at GRA for confirmation.
I mustn't inform you that I'm coming to see you.
No, you haven't.
I must not inform.
Mama.
Good evening, ma.
Mama. Mama. Thank God you haven't even left this Angel. Yeah, of course, she didn't tell me she was coming, but this is a surprise and it's a pleasant one. So, Mama, meet the love of my life, Angel. Angel, meet my lovely and adorable mother.
Wow. It's really nice to meet you, Ma. Oh, thank you, Ma.
I'm loving her already.
I see. I do like her.
Sit down.
Thank you, Ma.
So, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Where are you from? How old are you? Who are your parents?
Hey, Mama, cool down. No, Mama, your boss. You have to leave now. I've forgotten.
Hey, Mama, I'm going to answer all of your questions. But before then, I would like you to test my food.
That's good.
So I'll quickly go into the kitchen and make something nice for you.
That's good. Thank you. Intelligent girl.
It's like you're about to travel.
No, I'm not traveling again.
Okay.
I've changed my mind. I've
You have to wait. She has to test my food.
I'm not going again.
It has to. I'll be fast. You know how I do.
No,
Okay, so we'll take the bag upstairs. I'm not traveling again.
I'll be fast.
God bless you, Nne. I'm not traveling again.
Mama, you know what?
Do I have a small child at home? I can breastfeed. I'm not going anywhere. Keep my bag.
She's beautiful. Sit down. Sit down. I like her.
You have to go now.
I am not going again.
Meaning
I'm
what?
staying. I want to taste my daughter-in-law's food. I like her. She's beautiful.
You like her.